Hello and welcome to this new dog training tutorial video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to train your dog target training. It has several benefits and I'll explain it to you in the voice-over. Goldie, los. Zodra jij een tak hebt, jongen, dan ja, ben je niet van die tak achterhanden. Godverdomme. Goed. So, the first thing you can train your dog.
Yes, if there's something Goldie really loves, it's sticks. Oh well, target training may look like a simple game, but it's one of the most valuable skills you can teach your dog. By learning to touch your hand with their nose, your dog develops focus, confidence, and a clear way to communicate with you. Instead of relying on pulling or luring, you can gently guide your dog into different positions and teach new behaviors with ease. Best of all, target training creates a strong foundation for everything from recall and loose leash walking to advanced tricks. It's a fun, rewarding exercise that strengthens your bond and makes future training faster and easier.
To target training is to introduce your hands. Simply introduce your hands. And as soon as your dog is touching your hands, you reward your dog. It's as simply as that. You just move your hand and just represent your hand. Goldie. Nee. Goed zo. Again, you just represent your hands, you show your hand, and as soon as she touches it, you reward your dog. Goldie. And you can move your hand a little bit to yeah, make some attention. Goed zo. Goed zo. Bijna. Goed zo. It's just a simple touch of her nose to your hands without you saying anything is the first step. And if it takes too long or you want to help her a little bit, then you can just move it closer. Goed zo. Goed zo. When you've done this a couple of times and you see that your dog understands that she will get a reward when she touches your hand. Goed zo. Then you can add a command to this, which is touch, for example. Good. No, nope. You saw this? This was a timing. Well, not a good time because I was almost rewarding her while she was touching my hand with her paw. And that's not what I want. I want her to touch my hand with your nose. Please. Goed zo. That was a good one. Goed zo. I'm not adding a command yet. I'll do that as soon as I can see that she understands what she has to do. Nope. Nee. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. Goed zo. So now you see that she's beginning to understand. I have to touch his hand, then I get a reward. When you're at that point, that's the next step, you can add a command, which is touch. Touch, goed zo. Touch, goed zo. Touch. That's rolling over. Touch. Touch, goed zo. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Touch, goed zo. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Goed zo. And now for the fourth step you can add distance. Goldie, kijk eens. Kom eens hier. Adding distance. My hand right here. Touch. Touch. Goed zo. Goldie, touch. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Goed zo, meisje. Besides distance you also can use different heights. To the left and to the right. You can just play a little bit with it. For example, like this. Touch. Touch. This is something else. Touch. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Goed zo. And for the last part, the last step of this training, you can add movement. For example, letting your dog follow you and then let your dog touch your hands. Goldie. Goldie. Come. Touch. Goed zo. Volgende. Touch. Goed zo. Touch. Touch. Goed. Touch. Prima. Touch. Prima. Goed zo. Touch. Now it's getting kind of a game for her. But she definitely knows now. Touch. Touch is touching my hand. A small add-on to this video, potential common mistake that could be made is when you train target training is that you move your hand towards your dog. Try to avoid that. Instead, hold your hands at some point, at a random point, where your dog has to take initiative itself to move through your hands. Like this. Touch. Goed zo. Like this. So again, do not move your hand towards the dog, but let her take the initiative, or him. Touch. Goed zo. That was it for this one, for this tutorial. If you have any questions, as usual, leave it in the comments, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you for now, and bye bye.